Right now in this third service, it is testimony time. Make it louder, my breakthrough time. Give Jesus a big hand of praise. Please listen attentively to the following documented testimonies. Number one, supernatural turnarounds via kingdom advancement endeavors. A big hand for Jesus. I am a Muslim convert who returned to Nigeria from United Kingdom on February 14, 2018, when the UK government deported me. This was as a result of the expiration of my visa. I was tired of my situation because there were days when the next meal was uncertain and nights when diseases filled my body with pains. Then I came up to Canaan land to worship Jesus as I was led by revelation. That same day, Bishop David Oyedepo declared, if you are in this church for 3 months and you don't experience a change in your life, you can take your leave. I became touched and drunk with a victorious belief in what God's servant said. I gave my life to Christ that same day. Let's give Jesus a big hand of praise. And participated in WEBULL March edition. I also engaged in the force of faith, kingdom advancement prayers, as well as soul winning. First, my left eye that has been inactive since 2012 was fully restored. Second, I not only got a job in March, 2 other jobs came knocking on my door since last week, Thursday, as a regional marketing director of international company in Lagos with an interesting salary. Be big hand for Jesus. For this, I give quality thanks and praises to the Almighty Jehovah, the God of Bishop David Oyedepo, who saw me and helped me up out of my predicament. The testifier is Yusuf Mohammed Umar. Let's celebrate Jesus the more. Number 2, broken limbs healed and impotency destroyed. As a prodigal son, I left my father's house, Faith Tabernacle, to a strange land in search of greener pastures. Unfortunately, I encountered and fought spiritual battles for 20 years. As a result, I became impotent and suffered broken limbs. I sought for solution, but to no avail. Later, I prayed to God, and He instructed me to return to Faith Tabernacle. I obeyed. I also engaged the mystery of the kingdom. Suddenly, to the glory of God, my broken limbs were restored, and impotency was terminated. Make it bigger for Jesus. I give all the glory to God. The testifier is Baba Aguta. In this service, you will have your own testimony. Celebrate Jesus the more.
You are clapping for Jesus. You can make